Imagine a brand born out of obsession, rejection, and a single spark of inspiration. Hi Sharks, I'm Alina, founder of Saaz. Sharks, Saaz is not just a shoe. It's an extension of its wearer's identity. Their hand-woven leather thong nature allows you to customize them and tell your own story. Also, it allows them to mold uniquely to the shape of your feet. Sharks, today we have tested and perfected a market-fit product that's not only unique, but also offers unparalleled comfort. Today, I'm here seeking $6 million in exchange of 5% equity. I'm seeking a strategic business partner whose acumen and connections in the industry will help take Saaz to the next level.
Welcome, Alina. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shark Tank Pakistan.
Thank you.
सबसे पहले आपका नाम is awesome.
Thank you.
And not just that, but I remember when I met you, you showed me your Instagram page of Saaz. And even then I was like, your brand is really cool.
Thank you.
Brand-wise, I love your brand, but just numbers-wise, आपकी cost base क्या है for the last 3 years?
Okay.
And आपका gross margin or net margin?
Okay. So the production cost is about 32%. Gross margins are at 68%. And net margins are at 23%.
I've made my decision.
Yeah.
मुझे आप लग रहा है कि you're a great entrepreneur.
Thank you.
और you exactly know what you're doing. You've got that vibe, you've got that class. You know that thin line between both the sides.
ठीक है.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो 6 मिलियन आप मांग रही हो, जो मैं जिस तरीके से इस ब्रांड को देख रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 6 मिलियन के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें अचीव नहीं हो पाएंगी. तो मैं आपके साथ ये करना चाहूँगा कि मैं आपको 6 मिलियन नहीं, मैं आपको 10 मिलियन देना चाहूँगा, जो 1 करोड़ है
जी.
उसके अंदर से 20% इक्विटी जो है वो मैं होल्ड करूँगा और 50 लाख रुपए जो है वो मैं टॉप लाइन के 10% रेवेन्यू से पे बैक लूँगा. तो बेसिकली 50 लाख में मैं 20% की कंपनी की इक्विटी होल्ड हो जाएगी और 50 लाख रुपए आपको मिल जाएंगे कंपनी के अंदर एज अ लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट. और उसमें से टॉप लाइन के अंदर से हम लोग 10% उसको कूप अप कर जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
Alina, मैंने भी अपना डिसीजन ले लिया. You're very backable and I think I personally can imagine like कि काफी मजा आएगा आपके साथ काम करने का.
Okay.
क्योंकि उन्होंने अब 10 मिलियन का कर दिया है. I would like keep it maybe 7.5 million.
Okay.
15% stake, direct straight equity. Don't need any royalty.
Okay.
And I think it could be very fun working together, inshallah.
Thank you.
I think मैं भी ऑफर देना चाहूँगा. I'll keep it simple. जो अभी 2 ऑफर्स हैं आपकी. और as far as shoes are concerned, I'm not an expert in shoes.
Okay.
But
I wasn't an expert in shoes.
Exactly. So I'll help you.
Yeah.
I think दोनों ऑफर्स में जो आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यू है वो 50 मिलियन है. 2 साल की एवरेज अबाउट 7 मिलियन का मैंने प्रॉफिट लिया है और उस पे अबाउट 8.5-9 का मल्टीपल लगाया है, जो which is very very fair. So
ठीक है.
6 million for 10%.
Okay.
And 10% royalty from the top line till the 6 million is paid back. That's my offer.
Thank you.
Okay, Alina, I also obviously want to give an offer Romana ke saath. So, Usman, are you joining our offer as well? Mine and Romana. So, जो Usman की original offer थी, अब हम तीनों की बन गई है. तीनों की बन गई है. And the benefit to that, obviously, to you is कि आपको हम 3 मिलते हैं इकट्ठे.
I also agree कि Romana, Alina, आपके लिए, I mean, they're definitely going to add more value on the design, fashion side than us. I agree on this. But उसकी value आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए भी आप अपनी जेब से निकाल के दे रही हैं. That's just that you just.
Why?
It might be worth it. It might be worth it.
But Junaid, you're giving 6 million. We're giving 10. We're giving her more money.
Acha, do you need time to think about it?
Yeah, I want to have a little counter in terms of I'm not very comfortable with royalty wala.
Exactly. So you know exactly who offered straight up what you wanted.
ठीक है. आप 20% कह रहे हैं और आप 50.
Okay, we have another counter offer. You don't want any royalty from us 3 will give you no royalty. Okay. But you have to make the decision now.
A counter I have is that would you like to join them and we do 1 crore for 10%, 50 lakh rupees return and 5% royalty.
1 crore for 10%.
Yeah.
So the company goes to 100 million.
Yeah.
And how much you're saying? 50 lakh in royalty for 5%. So about 2.5 years of return.
Yeah.
I'm out of the deal.
So we're on 15%, 5% royalty, 1 crore. And you get Junaid, Romana and myself.
Final offer is 1 crore, 15% and 5% royalty for the
For 3 sharks. Yeah.
और अलीना
I'm out.
आउट हो गई हैं. I still feel for the business और I still wanna make you an offer. मेरी final offer है, इसके बाद मैं कोई negotiate नहीं करूँगा. It's up to you, whatever side you can pick. मैं आपको 1 करोड़ दूंगा 10% के लिए, बट आपको मुझे नेट प्रॉफिट में से 60% वापस करना हो.
अब डिसीजन का वैसे टाइम है, अब आप बताओ.
15 को 10% कर लें.
Yeah.
So that's a comfortable deal for me. जो मुझे बाकी मैच समझ
आप
नहीं
पिक कर लें या नो डील करके चल आप रैप अप कर दें और नेगोशिएट नहीं होगा.
3 आ रहे हैं. वी ऑल्सो नीड इतना, हमें 1-2% के साथ तो नहीं, कुछ इंसेंटिव होगा ना.
Okay, I think we have a deal because let's just see what happens.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent. Zabardast. You stand there, we'll come.
Good deal.
You're happy?
Yeah.